1, 2, 3. No, you've gone too quick. This gentleman here is like he's catching a train. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, go. 1. And make the noise. And the balls as well. Come on, are you ready for the Tour of Britain, Denby? Denby, are you ready? I think that went down like a lead balloon. It was not bad. Last week I had 2,000 people doing that. It was brilliant. Ga i gyntaf diolch yn fawr iawn I chi gyd am droi allan yma heddiw yma I gefnogi y ras yr daith yma. Big thanks to you all for turning out here to support the County of Denbigh, the Flintshire Council, for working closely with Tour of Britain to get the tour here to start off stage 4 and going down through the middle of Wales to Bilfrells, and also tomorrow still staying in Wales. The 5th stage starting in Wales tomorrow. Diolch fawr i'r 2 minutes. 2 funud I fynd felly. Diolch fawr I Sir Dinbych a Flint am y cefnogaeth. A bod hwnna'n dod o trefnwyr y daith I hun o tŵr. A fel unwaith eto, diolch fawr iawn I Llywodraeth Cymru. Big thanks to Welsh Government, major event unit there, being part of the tour. And hopefully the tour will be back somewhere in Wales, either for the Grand Depart, stage start or a stage finish next year for 2016. But we are here very close to starting off the 2016 Tour of Britain. Barod gychwyn ydyn ni am hanner awr wedi 10. Mi fydda I mynd lawr I Bilford I Llanelwedd. Llanelwedd, mae'n ddrwg iawn gyda. 1 minute, 1 minute to go. 1 minute. Isio chi gyd, fel maen nhw'n mynd, isio chi gyd rhoi gymaint o sŵn, as much noise as you can when they go off. Band the balls, cheer, scream, do the Icelandic chant or the Denbigh chant, whatever you want to call it. 45 seconds, 45 munud. A'r camerau helicopter, chwifiwch y fflagiau Cymru na, rhwng Cymru ar y map, wave the Welsh flag. 30 seconds, hanner munud, 30 eiliad. Helicopters running head off at 1 PM this afternoon in Ford Crowbar, ITV4.